So, fishermen along the east coast of Florida have been catching species that are native to South Florida and that they have never been found north before. Historically, our water temperatures have restricted tropical marine fish species ranges. However, climate change and shifts in water temperature are enabling some species to expand their ranges northward as warm waters are moving northward as well. While this phenomenon has been explored in some regions for some species, it still remains unclear what the implications of these changes in species distributions mean for coastal fish populations and ecosystems. My project is exploring what fish species are expanding their ranges along the east coast of Florida, and if this is happening at the community level or just individual species, and what environmental factors may actually be driving these shifts in distributions. Now, so far, we have found a gradual northward range shift of 5 out of the 10 species that I have selected to be my model species, which are listed on this slide here. The individuals that have moved northward or poleward are listed with red stars next to them. I ended up selecting 5 higher level food web sport fish and 5 mid-level food web prey fish. And out of the 5 that moved northward, it was a combination of sport and prey fish, indicating that these shifts in distribution over time were not dependent on where they were within the food web. Additionally, the fish community has shifted over time, with temperature being the main driver of the community changing and the changes in species distribution along the east coast of Florida. Now, why is this important? These findings, they provide valuable information regarding the impacts of climate change on our estuarine fisheries. This, in turn, can help guide our fishery managers in developing effective conservation measures for ecologically and economically important species along the southeastern United States. Florida fisheries are important for our economy because they generate $9.2 billion annually by providing seafood for us to eat, providing jobs, and allowing recreational and commercial fishing opportunities for those that purchase a Florida fishing license. Florida is the fishing capital of the world, so this research is beneficial so that we can understand fish species to then be able to inform policy and managers. These individuals then can enact legislation to protect these fish species, which can help ensure natural resources for future generations and the continuation of economic support for the state of Florida.